So this is a tutorial how to sew on a small workspace. So first of all, I've got a few options for the thread, but I think that one was closest to it. So I'm going to be using this thread, and I'm going to turn the trousers around to make some space. Gently turning around so that I don't miss or lose the measures. I'm assuming in the shop both legs were the same length, so I'm just going to look how much I'm going to take off and then just do the same for both. I probably want to leave it a similar kind of height of the seam, 3/4 of an inch. So maybe I'll even just cut 3 inches off, lay them flat. It's not stretchy, so I can use my normal sewing machine. I'm going to use rotary cutter. There you go. So here is the cut-offs. Can I iron this? Yeah, I can iron them. Oh, let me try and iron actually one of these pieces first. Oh, yeah, it's fine. I try not to iron it on the right side. So this one is done. Let's crack on with the other one. Gonna check making sure it is inside. So go pin down. Yeah, they look similar length. So I'm gonna get sewing now. Keeping the bobbin and thread together. First of all, I need to get the bobbin wound. Probably don't need that much, so I'm gonna stop it and then thread it. I'm going to test making sure the stitch is fine. Make sure I start from inside leg. I'm going to use the feature and so. Keep it in that speed. Moment of truth. This should be it. So, very nice. Previously it was like that, and now it's like that. Very similar. Let's take some photos.